Welcome back. It's time for another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George.
Hello. Okay, so usually we don't show the end product.
Oh yeah.
But not at the beginning.
Segment ever.
At the end, right? No. So oh my, look at this. Can you even?
That looks delicious.
It looks delicious.
It's so pretty.
It is delightful looking. So we have an incredibly easy snack, and if I say it once, if I say it twice, I'm always going to tell individuals that when you're making a snack, we want to make sure there's a couple different food groups in it so that it's kind of meeting all of our nutrition needs. Yes. And that's what this snack is all about. So we are going to start off, and we are using some whole wheat tortillas. And I'm going to tell you that oftentimes when I hear customers talk, they say, like, I don't really like whole wheat tortillas. These Mission ones are soft. They're very, they're not like dry at all. So I love the Mission whole wheat tortillas. So if you've ever had a whole wheat tortilla and not liked it, try again, because these are pretty awesome. So that is going to be our base of our recipe. So as easy as it comes, we're going to go ahead and just take some peanut butter. This is where you get to decide if you are going to use almond butter or if you want to use an alternative nut butter, but really about a tablespoon or two of peanut butter right down the middle, much like if you were making any other wrap. So super duper easy. Spread it around, nice thin layer. So food group number 1 is your carbohydrate source with your tortillas. Food group number 2 is a little bit of protein with your peanut butter. And now we're going to add a banana. So I think I failed to mention what we're making. Banana sushi. That is what we are making today. So
it looks better than it sounds.
Yes, it does look better than it sounds, right? So we are going to take our banana and we're just going to put it right down the middle of that tortilla. And then just as easy as pie, we're going to wrap it. That peanut butter is going to stick to the banana. Wrap, wrap, wrap. It's got a little extra banana sticking out the end. We can go ahead and just cut that off just to make it nice and even. And then this is where you can get a little bit jazzy. So you can do this a couple different ways. I'm going to actually cut these first into little sushi pieces, okay? So really what we're wanting is about these little bite-sized pieces, just like this. Great for kids, absolutely. We're going to cut those into little pieces. And then this is where you or your children or whomever you're serving it to can make it how you want. So we're going to take a little bit more peanut butter, just kind of as that glue here, and we're going to just put a little bit on top. And then here comes the fun part. You can dip it in chocolate chips. We have some coconut, maybe some Cocoa Krispies for a little bit of crunch. And then we even have some dried strawberries that we've kind of processed and pulsed a little bit. So you're going to take that, do a little dip here and add it to our end. So many different ways that you can do it. If you like crunchy, you can put some chopped up nuts, but the coconut, the Cocoa Krispies, any cereal, chocolate chips, I mean to tell you, 3 food groups and a perfect snack.
That was easy.
So easy, right? You can do it too, right?
I can.
Yes.
Kaiti, thanks. We'll put the recipe on Nebraska.tv.